I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back. Mom, I think there's a ghost in my room. Sweetie, there's nothing in your room.
So I'm not in now? Oh my god! Oh my god!
You just don't believe in knocking, do you? What you want now?
Our hands have fingertips, but our toes don't have toe tips. But we still can tiptoe.
Did you know you've only gotten 5 hours of sleep in the last 82 hours? Don't you dare put me to sleep. Boop. It's just that easy.
Well, I think Sandy would be happy to hear this. Boy, James. Boy, you fucking Oh god, no, what I say? Don't put that in. Don't put that in. Adam, I beg, don't put that in. Or if you are, just please beep the C word. I shouldn't have said that, sorry.
Guys, I got a new phone today. It is the Thomas the Tank Engine phone. Fucking hell. I don't think your phone can do this. There we go. Yes, see, I'm talking to your mother right now.
Edward, I crave violence. Well, no shit, you threw Percy in the toaster. I was still trying to get him out.
Got him.
Father, are you in there?
Did anyone get the number of that bitch?
18.
Thank you.
You okay in there, Vegeta?
Eat a dick.
Welcome to McTunnel. What can I get for you?
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
Anything else?
Beans. What the fuck?
So I've really been working on
What in the fuck knuckles is this?
She's my girlfriend, you intolerant shit.
Whoa! Pump the hate brakes, Fox and Friends. I'm just surprised anyone would date you. Especially Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony.
Nah, to get out of the bushes. Get out of the sunflowers.
Wow.
What is that?
No, I don't.
Wow.
Metal, aren't you?
And you're quite one polygon titted.
Here, you want some weed?
I do not have lungs, so I cannot smoke weed, but I will take it anyway and put it directly into my brain cells. Here we go.
Downloading weed.exe.
Holy shit. Wow.
How's it feel? You enjoying it?
What planet am I on?